Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to create your own landing page with Systems.io. Make sure to watch the entire video to gain a comprehensive understanding on System.io. Without further delay, let's get started. First, let's navigate to Funnels, then press on Create. Here it will ask you about the name of the funnel. Let's name it Tutorial. And here I will choose sell a product, then currency in euro, and save. Now let's enter our funnel. Here you can choose any template you want. You have two pages, the order form and the thank you page, and you can insert an inactive page which we will not insert in this tutorial. So let's just navigate to choose an order form. Okay, let's choose this one. You can preview it. And if you liked it, you can just select and let's go. Here you need to write some basic information like the order form, the name, which is order form, the URL path, and some other steps. Now let's just edit page. And here we go. In your left menu, you can find two tabs, which are Elements and Blocks. In Elements, you can add any data you want, like text, like columns, forms, payment, and more. And on the right, you can see the blocks, which compromises other elements, like features, page footers, team presentation, and more. So let's return to Elements and start editing. So in case you want to delete any part of this page, all what you need to do is to navigate to it and click on the delete button here and press OK. So you can do this to anything you want here. Let's delete all this busy information. Okay. And let's leave the rest so as not to waste much time. Next, whenever you want to edit anything in here, all what you need to do is to just press on it and it will give you all the properties that you can manipulate to change the properties. So let's change this one and say, for example, order now and get 10% discount. Here you can manipulate the properties of this text. You can change the font size. You can change the line height. You can even change the font type. You can change letter spacing. You can change the background color from here. You can choose no color from here. And you can edit some other properties like margin, padding, and delay before displaying item. So all these properties you can control the way you want. Next, let's edit this image. If you want to change the image itself, all what you need to do is to just press on this setting and select. You can either use another image from a link or you can upload it. So let's check how. All what you need to do is to press on this button and upload, select file, then navigate to your PC to choose the image you want. And here it's uploading. Almost there. And insert. Bingo. So you can also edit some other properties like the image size, for example. You can edit the alignment. You can edit all these information the way you want. Here you can edit the payment method as well. You can enter any method you want. It's up to you. And now let's save changes and move to the next step. Now press on this button next to the save changes. And here you can view your page. Perfect. Next, you can edit your thank you page. You can choose any template you want. All what you need to do is to press select. It's still loading. It shall not take more than a few seconds. Here you can control the settings which will affect how your thank you page will be displayed. I will leave it as it is. I will just add 2 exclamation marks and press on edit page. As you see, it contains the exclamation mark I added. You can make any changes as the previous page. I will not add any changes because I already illustrated how to edit your page. So I will just save changes and press on exit. Again, you can view your page from here. So now let's move on to the next tab, which is the emails. Here, let's choose campaigns. Let's choose create. And here you can create the name of your campaign. Let's say tutorial and the description. Then you can press save. Then you can enter your campaign and create any subject and the sender name you want and the sender email. Then you can save it like that. Next is the automations. Press on rules. And here you can create a new rule, whether to trigger when this event happens or to take action. And after creating your own automation, you can return to your funnels once more and choose the funnel. Then choose automation rules. You can also add rule from here. And you can add funnel step from subscribed. Here it will add the automation that you have made in this part. You can also press on add rule. Unfortunately, the free plan will not allow me to make any more edits. However, you can also add rule here and choose the email or the campaign that you have made before. And so you have created a closed loop that you can create your own landing page and you can use your automations and emails as well. So after the end of this, you can move to your main dashboard. Here you can check the insights of your landing page in some sort of attractive graphs, which gives you summarized performance on your pages. And so this was our tutorial for today. It just shows you the main features that allow you to create your own landing page using System.io. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this tutorial was useful to you. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for getting our new tutorials. Have a beautiful day.